Hi everyone, in this video I want to compare the straight blade of a Victorinox Swiss Army knife versus a serrated blade of a Victorinox multi-tool, but you can get these blades on both the knife and the multi-tool. This is called the Swiss Tool XC, and this is just a regular most Swiss Army knives have a straight blade, but some have serrated blade, but it's pretty rare. Anyway, I want to do a comparison in different materials to see how they cut. This is some thin paper. It's like between carton and paper. This goes pretty well. The serrated blade, I would say serrated blade is even better. Yeah, definitely. This is a bit thinner, it's more paper. That goes very easily. This is the knife, the straight knife I mean. Let's try some plastic with the straight knife first. Now the serrated blade. Serrated blade goes much easier through it. Let's try some carton, some thick carton. How should I hold this? That goes pretty easily. I would say straight knife went like a little bit better because it had like a less resistance. I feel like I have to push a little bit harder with the serrated blade. But now comes the real test. This is how do you call this? It's like the same like a seat belt, but for tying things. Anyway, let's try it out. First the serrated blade, first the straight blade. That's pretty hard, I would say. I probably have to do it in a few times. It's too thick to cut in one time. And now with the serrated blade. I would say serrated blade goes definitely a lot easier through material like this. If you have some thick material or something that's woven, it's like kind of hard with a straight blade. But the thing is about these serrated blades, they are very hard to sharpen because you have to do each serration individually. So like I think they cut the best, but they can be hard to sharpen. That's downside. While with straight blade you don't have that problem. It's easy to sharpen your knife. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you are interested in Swiss Army knives, check out the link in the description. Have a good day. Bye.